Hello students. Today I'll start with the next chapter, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Frederick Mischur identified DNA with associated proteins in 1860s and he called it as nuclein. For the first time, Frederick Mischur identified DNA with associated proteins in 1860s and he called it as nuclein. Nuclein is nothing but DNA with associated proteins. DNA and RNA are called as nucleic acids because this DNA and RNA are present in the nucleus of the cell and also they are acidic in nature due to the presence of phosphoric acid in them. DNA and RNA are called as nucleic acids because they are present in nucleus of the cell and they are acidic in nature due to the presence of phosphoric acid in them. DNA and RNA are also called as genetic materials. DNA and RNA are also called as genetic materials because this DNA and RNA are the information source of life. They contain the genes which controls the character. Each character is controlled by gene. Such genes are present in DNA and RNA. Hence, they are called as genetic materials. In eukaryotes, DNA is usually present in nucleus, but in prokaryotes, DNA is present in nucleoid. Other than this, in eukaryotes, DNA is also present in mitochondria and chloroplast. In eukaryotes, like plants, DNA is also present in mitochondria and chloroplast. Both mitochondria and chloroplast are the cell organelles present in plants. The length of DNA in different organisms differs. In bacteriophage lambda, DNA has around 48,502 base pairs. That means the length of the DNA is dependent on the number of base pairs present in it. The length of the DNA depends on the number of base pairs present in it. In bacteriophage lambda, 48,502 base pairs are present. Whereas in E. coli, bacteria E. coli or Escherichia coli, around 4.6 into 10 raised to 6 base pairs are present. E. coli has 4.6 into 10 raised to 6 base pairs. The haploid cell of human DNA. Haploid cell of human DNA contains 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs. That means the diploid cell of humans DNA contains 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs. Haploid human cell DNA contains 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs, whereas the diploid human cell DNA contains 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs. DNA is a polymer of nucleotides. DNA is a polymer. Polymer means made up of many monomeric unit. Poly means many. Many monomers are joined together to form the DNA. Hence DNA is the polymer. The monomeric unit present in the DNA is the nucleotide. Nucleotide is the monomeric unit present in the DNA. The particular nucleotide present in the DNA is the deoxyribonucleotide. Deoxyribonucleotide is the monomeric unit present in the polymer of DNA. The nucleotide present in the DNA is deoxyribonucleotide. And DNA is a macromolecule. Macro means bigger one. It's a macromolecule because it contains many monomeric unit, or it contains many deoxyribonucleotides. Hence it is called as macromolecule. DNA is the genetic materials in human beings, in plants, animals, and in some viruses like hepatitis B, herpes simplex virus, etc. Now let us discuss about the chemical composition of DNA. A nucleotide is a basic unit of polynucleotide chain of DNA or RNA. Or DNA or RNA is a polynucleotide chain which is made up of many nucleotides. The nucleotide or the monomer present in the DNA is called as deoxyribonucleotide. Chemical composition of DNA includes three components, or each nucleotide or deoxyribonucleotide of DNA. Each deoxyribonucleotide of DNA is composed of three components such as pentose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate group. Pentose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate group. In this video, let us discuss about one of the component of the deoxyribonucleotide, that is pentose sugar. The pentose sugar means presence of 5 carbon atoms, or sugar made up of 5 carbon atom. The pentose sugar present in the DNA is called deoxyribose sugar. See, this is the pentose sugar present in the DNA, that is called deoxyribose sugar. Whereas the pentose sugar present in the RNA, or the sugar present in the RNA, is called ribose sugar. In RNA, the sugar is called as ribose sugar. In DNA, the sugar is called as deoxyribose sugar. See, in this diagram, you can observe that in the pentose sugar or in the sugar, 5 carbon atoms are present. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 carbon atoms are present in the pentose sugar. And the carbon atoms of the pentose sugar are primed, means 1 dash, 2 dash, or 1 prime, 2 prime, like this. Carbon atoms are numbered using primes, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Here 5 carbon atoms are present. The main difference between deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar is, in deoxyribose sugar at second carbon atom hydrogen is present. Hydrogen atom is present at 2' carbon. Whereas in ribose sugar, OH group is present at 2' carbon. This is the main difference between the deoxyribose sugar and the ribose sugar. Name itself indicates deoxyribose. That means D means removal of oxygen. Oxygen is removed from the 2' carbon. Hence this sugar is called as deoxyribose sugar. The structure of ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar are almost same except at the 2' carbon. The remaining things are same except at the 2' carbon. In the ribose sugar at 2' carbon, here OH group is present, whereas in deoxyribose sugar at 2' carbon H or hydrogen atom is present. That means oxygen is removed from 2' carbon in case of deoxyribose sugar. Hence, the sugar present in the DNA is called as deoxyribose sugar. This sugar is called deoxyribose sugar. This is about pentose sugar or the sugar component of the deoxyribonucleotide. Thank you.